Hey there, let's see how you can create a stack right from your template. So basically first you click on add stack, choose a template. So it will open up the template page, and within the template page, say if I want to go to the HR template and go to the employee directory template. So I will basically see this template right here, and if I like this template, all I can do is just use it, and voila, the new employee directory template is live and ready to go. So you can use it and customize it to your own.